Agent Puppy? I don't know. He's probably taking a pee. He's probably taking a big fat pee.
Oh, that was better.
Where were you this whole time?
Taking pee.
Really? A pee at a time like this? The chameleon has escaped. The chameleon has escaped.
What?
You're supposed to give out this information.
Really? Oh.
Yes.
Oh, attack the chameleon. That's it.
Oh, mealworm. It is I, chameleon. Fear me.
And it is I, Verminious Snaptrap, here to dine on your flesh.
Is he a cannibal?
I have no idea.
Cannibal is something that eats the same kind. Do you have a speech impediment or something? No.
Wow.
Okay, so agents on 3, 2, 1. Agent Puppy, you let out your natural gases, and me and Keswick, we cover our noses. And 3, 2, 1. No!
Oh, it smells like blue cheese. Yummy. I thought you were allergic to cheese. I take pills now.
You know, those could be other... You just interrupted me.
Farts are better than voices.
They are not. Stop fighting. And where's the chief when you need him?
Right here.
Whoa, Chief, I have a question.
What?
Since when were you a bulldog?
I am hacking a bulldog.
Bulldog's brain?
Yeah. Bulldog.
Strange.
I once hacked a cheese's brain. Awkward.
Ladybug!
Now I'm going to dine on your flesh. We can't let this happen.
We could, use Agent Puppy's natural gases after a bean burrito.
I'll go eat a bean burrito.
After he ate a bean burrito.
We have to stand back now.
Stand back and cover our noses. Agents, cover your noses at 3, 2, 1. How many burritos did he eat?
900.
1 hour later. Oh!
Oh, that was so much better.
I'm surprised you didn't go to the bathroom.
Yeah.
What did you... Wait, how many burritos did you say you ate?
900.
That means you would have to go to... That means if you went to go take a poop, you would flood the toilet. I'm not fixing that.
I just flooded it.
You mean there's poop all over the bathroom floors?
Well, all over it is not a lot.
I'm not cleaning that.
Yeah.
I'm not cleaning that either. That's disgusting. It stinks in here. Oh.
It smells like my Aunt Pearl's perfume.
Oh, look at an ant.
And
Right here.
Well, that's it for today, folks. Goodbye.
Yeah.
And remember, watch how many burritos you eat, because you could flood your toilet with poop.
Yeah.